Yep, I'm definitely a fan of Walker Heating and Air. From the first phone call to being notified my tech was on the way, the experience was easy, like I was talking to a neighbor. Anyway, Kevin went above and beyond cleaning my old outdoor unit. I didn't know how to get that layer of dog hair off without breaking something. But this dude got his hands on it, and now it looks great. Now, I'm pretty sure we'll be set for the summer, but if we run into anything, I know who to call. I guess comfort really is a breeze with these guys.